Hi, my name is Izzy Langley. I'm a PhD student at the Sea Mammal Research Unit in St Andrews. I'm giving a talk at the MASTS ASM on Monday the 5th of October in the general science session that starts at 10:30. I'm going to be introducing my PhD research. Hope you can make it.
Cetaceans have been routinely studied in Iceland for the past 30 years, but there are still major gaps in fully understanding species distribution. Widespread surveillance is also expensive and often conducted seasonally. Therefore, we investigated the use of citizen science as a cheap and effective method of collecting year-round data. We surveyed individuals' knowledge of cetaceans and interest in the project through online questionnaires. In total, 111 participants took the survey, including 81 fishermen. Although just under 50% of participants were interested in submitting future sightings, the projected survey coverage was still widespread across Iceland. Participants also identified species-specific changes over time, and fishermen in particular made specific comments on cetacean prey associations. These observations correspond well with current scientific understanding and therefore add to the credibility of participants. Based on the results of this study, a citizen science project in Iceland is possible and will likely support a better understanding of Icelandic cetaceans in the future.
Hello, please join me, Matt Carter, at the MASTS annual science meeting on Monday the 5th of October at 10:30 a.m. for the first talk in General Science Session 1, where I'll be talking about combining aerial count data with tracking data in regional habitat preference models to predict the distribution of grey and harbour seal populations in the British Isles. See you there.
The Harbour porpoise is the most abundant cetacean in UK waters, and there's a protected area for the species on the Scottish west coast which overlaps with approximately 200 salmon farms. Do Harbour porpoise interact with salmon farms, and if they do, what is the nature and extent of such interactions? In this study, acoustic click detectors called C-pods were deployed at 7 fish farms on the west coast to detect porpoise echolocation clicks between May 2018 and March 2020. Background noise from acoustic deterrent devices caused C-pods to stop recording, and experiments conducted with C-pod settings allowed Harbour porpoise detection whether or not acoustic deterrents were used. Results indicated significant inter-farm variability in the number of porpoise detections made and the factors that influenced detections, which included dial hour, wind speed and water temperature. Echolocation buzzes indicative of foraging or socialising were also detected at some farms. The study shows for the first time that interactions between aquaculture and porpoises occur regularly on the west coast of Scotland.